Are you wondering if the new Fenix 8 actually has got LTE and can you call and maybe even receive calls to this watch? So I do not have great news for you. This Fenix 8 actually doesn't get the LTE, and at this price point really that's completely ridiculous. However, the Fenix 8 actually has microphone and also speaker, so you can actually answer calls if your phone basically is in the range of the Fenix 8 basically. So again, if your phone is in range, you can answer calls actually on this watch. Also, you can ask it some things as well. It has some basic assistant as well, which uses that microphone as well, so that's actually kind of good. But still, at this price point, why Garmin can't include the LTE? Yeah, I can't really understand. And if you want a Garmin watch that actually has got LTE, your only option really is going for something very old, such as Garmin 945 LTE. But I do not really even like these models because they are not as well built as the Fenix line. For example, even the new Forerunner 965, which is a bit better, also doesn't receive the LTE. So there is like literally zero models from the Garmin that actually you're able to call from, and the Fenix 8 at this price really should have had this feature. Anyway, yeah, kind of ridiculous. Sorry for the bad news. Good luck.